When it comes to exceptional service, who you work with matters, and who I work with matters even more. When I prepare a listing to go to market, I rely on industry partners to provide the same level of exceptional service that I give to my clients. Preparing the home for sale is all about thinking from the buyer's point of view, creating a sense of allure, giving each space purpose, and getting them closer to envisioning a life here. Today I'm doing some pre-listing preparations at this gorgeous new build in Granville with my industry partner, Keith Benham with SB Home Staging. Join us for a behind-the-scenes tour as we plan how to showcase this home with elevated design.
SB Home, we love working with Jamie at Street Sotheby's. We're really excited to walk through this home today, discuss the possible staging options for this contemporary new build located in Granville, and see how we can elevate the home and bring it to life.
Tonight's the weekend, I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait, got no reason.
This one's gonna be a showstopper, and I can't wait to show you this home after my team works their magic.
I've been chasing